Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Adobe Media Encoder 2-pass encoding for better bitrate. Open Adobe Media Encoder on your computer. Import the video file you wish to encode. Select your desired video from the media browser. Drag the video to the encoding queue. On the right side, locate the output settings for your video. Click on the preset drop-down menu to choose your desired format. Select a format that supports 2-pass encoding, such as H.264. After selecting your format, click on the output name to modify the file name and destination. Once satisfied, click OK to return to the main screen. Now, locate the Video tab within the Export settings. In the Video tab, look for the Encoding Settings section. Find the option labeled Bitrate Encoding. Click on the drop-down and select VBR 2-pass. Then, set your target. You can also adjust the maximum bitrate if necessary. As you adjust these settings, keep an eye on the estimated file size. Once all settings are configured, check the Audio tab to ensure your audio settings are correct. After verifying all settings, click on the green play button at the top right corner to start encoding. The encoding process will begin, and you can track its progress in the queue. Once encoding is complete, your file will be available in the destination folder you specified. You have now successfully enabled 2-pass encoding in Adobe Media Encoder for improved bitrate quality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.